Got that beautiful beach right at your doorstep. This is room 2051. This is a superior oceanfront with premium level. You've got your bar and your closet as you walk in. Nice big washroom with double vanity. You have toilet and the shower, also with a bathtub. That's a nice feature. You don't always get that. So if you're more of a bath person, you have that opportunity. You have the king bed, 2 nightstands, nice little wicker table and chairs. Back around, you can see you have a desk, some drawers, television up above. That is your minibar. Take a little peek in there. You can see, yeah, minibar, some snacks. And this is an oceanfront room. You're going to love this view. You've got the ocean just steps away from your private balcony here. You've got your 2 chairs and your table. And as mentioned, got that beautiful beach right at your doorstep. Come back into the room. Again, lovely king bed. Table and chairs. Set of drawers. Your washroom at the front. I'll pan back around, you can have one last look. This is the superior oceanfront with premium level room. And that beach, as I mentioned, is just steps away.